Okay, guys, how to do skateboard is foot one foot and do straightly, and how you turn, put down.
Let me see.
You move your feet left and right,
You see it?
and you just how to do like this is like this, and
You're not gonna fall like that. You're not gonna fall like that. Or is it safe?
yeah.
You have to have a helmet and knee pads, right? And
I don't mean knee pads.
why?
Cause I just don't mean. Cause I'm 5 years old.
You're not 5-year-old. You're just 4-year-old yet. You're gonna be 5-year-old
Look at those
next
ends.
year.
Look
Next
at those
time.
ends. Look at those ends. Don't press it.
Yeah, you're not 5-year-old yet, right, girl? Is that the way you do it?
Yeah, to crush ants.
Ah. And then, what else? You can teach your friends. Okay, what is that now? Oh, that's ants, Declan. You don't. It hurts. It hurts you. Oh no, that's not the way. How? No, it's ants. Declan, don't do it. It's ants. And then how do you write it?
Ants
You write
start
on
with letter A.
They cannot hear you like that.
Ants start with A.
Oh. Skateboard is start with letter what? What letter is skateboard?
S.
Letter S.
Yeah, and he just do it.
Oh, okay.
Or like this.
Like that.
And
Oh.
like that. That's pretty cool.
How about bicycle? Do you want to teach them how to bike?
Yeah.
I think bicycle is better. We don't throw it.
Okay.
It's good to have helmet so you can see the safety to your friends. Safety first.
Okay, how to do? Okay, guys. How do you do basketball?
How to do?
Like this.
Yeah.
Paddle.
Oh wow. Yeah, and then
Where's the steering wheel? Is right over here.
right there. Oh.
And these two are the handles.
And then you ride again.
And this the pedal.
Oh yeah, it is. You're doing good. Even no helmet, but the best is you have helmet, you have protection.
Ow. Something is in my stuff.
Yeah. She's coming back. My lemongrass. May pinya. May fig. Isang piraso lang ang laman. Ang bunga. Wala eh. Winter, fall season. Mahirap magpatubo. Buti may dahon pa sila. Ano yung mga dahon na nalalaglag sa mga puno. Yan. And then, what you gonna do now? Kalamansi, mga friends. Ayan. Oh, come here. Okay, and then you show it again, Declan.
That was the
Basketball, no.
Hey guys, can you put this over
Yes,
there?
yes, I can help you.